Okay, Rachit. So we would like to take your feedback for your treatment you have done. Shall we start?
Yeah.
So what is your main reason for visiting Kairali Ayurvedic Centre?
So I had an inflamed polyp and I had severe cold and cough, stuffy nose every time. I used to have migraines and all, so that's why I decided to visit.
So from all other Ayurvedic centre, how did you choose the Kairali Ayurvedic Centre?
It was referred to me by my family. So
So please describe the result of the treatment.
I'm feeling much better. Although the polyp is still there, but the stuffiness has gone. The cold and cough is much better. And I believe there is much more improvement to come. I'll continue the medicine.
Sure. So does your belief increase or decrease in Ayurveda after treatment?
Yes, I do believe it exists.
Right. So would you recommend our Ayurvedic treatment to your friends and family?
I will definitely.
Thank you.